If you are someone who wants to learn Quran online, Manhal Islamic Institute has got you covered. Assalamu alaikum, this is Ahnaf Tahmid from Manhal Islamic Institute. We provide 4 different services for the Quran enthusiasts. We offer basic to advanced Quran learning course. Yes, if you are a beginner and if you don't know how to pronounce the alphabets properly, this is a perfect place for you to start. Secondly, we have a program dedicated to the people who do know how to read Quran but don't know how to pronounce them properly. Thirdly, which is the more interesting one, we also provide a full Quran memorization course. Yes, I'm talking about Quran Hifz course. If you are an enthusiast who wants to memorize the whole Quran, we will guide you through the path. Lastly, we have Farzain program, which also means the basics of Islam. If you want to know the basics of Islam, which is also necessary for every Muslim to know, we have a special program dedicated for you people who want to learn the basics of Islam. So, what are you waiting for? Message us for the detailed information.
كتاب الله لا شيء سواه يهذبنا